Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best dog nail grinders that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dremel 7300P Pet Nail Grooming Tool Editor's Choice. The Dremel 7300P is a complete package that has all the features needed for trimming the nails of the dog safely and quietly. It is easy to maneuver and work cordless without causing any bumps. 3 ports of this product ensure different sizes of nails can be groomed. You will get a 30 days money-back guarantee and 90 days warranty from the company's side. It has a super mute motor based on the unique technology eliminating the nail with a softer sound. This device can be recharged using a USB and capable of working 3 hours continuously on a single charge. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the URPower Rechargeable Pet Nail Grinder, Best Slim Designed Nail Grinder. This amazing item deserved the 4th position due to its ergonomically design and friendly working operation. There is a cap guard installed on this grinder that ensures no slippage occurs when you work on the nails of your dog. Furthermore, its operation is super quiet, that is something loved by the buyers. On top of that, it equips with 2 grinding holes, one each for smaller and larger pets. This device works on the batteries and the company deliver it with 2 AA batteries. At number 3, we have the Furry Fido Pet Nail Grinder Kit, work for dogs of all sizes. This product is ideal for individuals who want to buy a professional-grade product that complete the trimming job quite easily. It delivered by the manufacturer with a money-back guarantee proving authenticity of this item. It is one of the best dog nail grinders, having speeds of 7,500 and 1,000 RPM that work in both forward and reverse directions. Furthermore, it is completely cordless and offers a pretty amazing grip. At number 2, we have the Oster Gentle Paws Premium Nail Grinder, best for design. Groom your pet's nails quickly and without causing stress using the Oster Gentle Paws Less Stress Dog and Cat Nail Grinder. This powerful 2-speed pet nail grinder features a cordless battery-powered design that provides precise control and operates quietly for stress-free filing. Simply select the opening that is best for your pet's nail size and begin to gently file each nail. An adjustable safety guard helps ensure that you don't trim too far and captures filings to minimize mess. And thanks to the included coarse stone, fine band, and 2 coarse bands, you'll have everything you need to effectively trim your pet's nails. This versatile animal nail grinder works on all breeds of cats and dogs. If you love to buy a product designed uniquely, then this Oster Gentle grinder is the pick that you need to make. It comes with a whisper quiet motor and adjustable safety guard that ensure dogs stay safe. This grinder has dual speed mode that let you choose slow or faster speed as per the convenience. Additionally, it has a coarse stone for completing the job in a better way. And finally, at number 1, we have the Pedy Pet Nail Grinder. The amazing nail grinder manufactured by the Pedy brand that delivered with a 1-year warranty from the company's end. It has an ergonomic construction that can even cut the thickest nails quite easily. Finding a flaw in this product considering its price is quite difficult. There is a silicone handle added for minimizing clipping vibration to the greater extent. On top of that, it has diamond grinding wheel that prevents abrasion. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.